Alright, good evening. This is a quick demo of the Credit Bureau Live API implementation and the report we are generating. I'll go on I'll click on credit assessment. So from here we can try this and test the endpoint. Click on assign and proceed. So here now, if I want to generate first central, I'll select first central and then we enter the BVN that I want to generate for. I think the one we are left to test is this CRC and then credit register. So if I select CRC and then I enter the BVN, here I'll be able to select which of the report type I'm looking for. If I go with consumer classic reports, I'll select this type because the reason is credit report, and then we have the date of our search. Then from here, I'll click on generate report. Now it will call the API, generate the report, and then we have the report over here. So this is a report. You can see the inquiry date, the name of the person, and some other information that we pulled from the API endpoint, as the case may be. So this is the information we're able to get from the API endpoint, and this is coming from the live API integration. Then from here, the officer can download it and then use it for the further processing, as the case may be, which is to upload it, another thing. Then if I want to test for the second type of this, which is a corporate classic report. The corporate classic report, we need to provide a business registration number before we can be able to do a search with it. This is not accepting BVN because it's a business, so we are passing in a registration number. You can see we have for BVN our RC number, that's registration number, which I'm passing it over here for this business. And then when I click on generate, that should be able to generate the report for us as well for the corporate search. So here we have, you can see inquiry and the other information that we have there, corporate classic reports, and then these are the data we are pulling from the API endpoint. And these are information of other corporate what's it called, bodies that we have from that API endpoint. Okay, so all these are coming from the API endpoint, and then that is that for CRC. Then for credit register, I'll select credit register, then I'll enter BVN. I'll enter the BVN, and then of course it's just one consumer report that we have from the credit register. Then I'll leave other options the way it is. Then I'll click on generate. And clicking on generate is going to generate a new report coming from credit register, uh, and then we should be able to see the reports of the users and everything if the report is available. It's still loading. Yeah, once it's load, we get the report from the API live endpoint, and here is a credit registry report for this customer. And you can see all this information, we are getting it from the API endpoint, like so. It's coming from the API endpoint, and then we have to make effort to convert it to a more readable format. And yes, so that is all we have for the credit bureau. We have implemented all the live API for the credit bureau, including the first central and everything. All right, thank you.